Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking your Samsung phone model and Android level so features behave predictably. Once done, update YouTube in a browser like Chrome, make sure apps are current. Then open YouTube and sign in so your playlists and subscriptions are available. If you have YouTube Premium, background play is native, keep that in mind. If not, proceed to the browser method next. This ensures the tools you need are ready before we switch to background playback steps. Open Chrome, go to YouTube. And enable desktop site from the menu. This forces the site to behave like a computer. Play the video you want, then press the home button. Audio might stop because the browser is backgrounded. Once that happens, pull down the notification shade and tap play on the media control to resume sound. Make sure the browser isn't killed by battery saver. Set Chrome to not optimize in battery settings, so for a simpler alternative, open YouTube and activate split screen. Drag the app from recent apps into split view and use another app on the other half. Video keeps playing. If playback drops, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, or your browser and allow background activity so Android won't suspend it. If controls disappear, restart the phone or clear the browser cache. One troubleshooting tip: disable aggressive battery optimization for your browser and YouTube to prevent the system from killing background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.